sir. Hello ma'am. I am Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about what is the array list in the Java. The array list Java is the resizable, so which is not defined the any specific value. We can write the many of the element in the array list. So it is the two types built-in array and in array list there are the two types built-in array and array list. What is the difference between the in array? If we remove the or add any element in the array, so in array, so we cannot edit in the particular array. We create a new array in the array list. We cannot create the same array. The In array list we can import the packages import.java.util.start. There are the many important points in the array list. The array list has contain the duplicate elements are contain specific duplicate element are present in array list. The element are insertion manner, so sequentially element are entered in sequential manner. Then in array list we cannot create a same array. We create every time a new array and edit the many operation like add, insert, delete or update. Also in array is implements the linked list, so we can use all the methods in the linked list. And also array list is extend the abstract class and implement the linked list. So we can use all the methods in the linked list. Also then we then array list is extend the linked list implements the abstract class. Abstract is extend the iterable class. It is a pie chart of the array list. Then in array list non generic versus generic array list. For that means in non generic we can create a object for the any data types. But in generic is since JDK 1.5, so it is started from the JDK 1.5. But in generic we can create object for the only create object for only particular data type like a string, integer, double. So we cannot type runtime. We cannot situation to create a typecasting or any data type are runnable. So it is a use of the non generic array list. The syntax is my array list two opening braces integer wrapper class. Array list is equal to new array list integer opening and closing braces. In array list we can use we cannot create a object for primitive data type like a integer, float, character, double. So we can write we can use these wrapper classes like integer, integer and string and so on. And in array list is not a resizable. The array list is slower than bit slower little bit slower than the linked list, because in array list we use the wrapper classes like integer and string. It is the array list and its methods and how to create a array list. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.